right, folks, this is Jacob with Chris Smith's office with another Walkthrough Wednesday. This is 2325 Short Street. It's offered at $419,000. We are in the uptown Carrollton neighborhood, which means we're close to the universities. We've got just about 2,000 square feet of living, this wonderful front porch here, and this is just a classy house. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. We'll start on the first floor, of course. Everywhere you look, there's a lot of natural light, all real wood doors, antique historic windows, and it just has a great feel to it. It feels very classic. That's what Scott and I were saying before we walked in. Here is a grand dining room, and I like their choice of fixtures as well. It looks good. Then we come by our outdoor sitting area and built-in bench. And that leads us into a great, well-updated kitchen with a little wine fridge and microwave. Just a well-tied-together kitchen with, again, these historic windows. Then I'll lead you through here. We've got a half bath, so this is good for entertaining. You'd be able to use the restroom without having to go into a bedroom. And then a large laundry utility room. So this is excellent. It's not just a little washer dryer and a closet. We've got a lot of space. We've got storage. There's our water heater and a surface here for folding clothes. And this also leads us outside. What's great about this house is to be in the uptown Carrollton neighborhood and have 2 covered parking spots is very rare. There's our off-street parking for 2 cars. Then we'll come through here. I love the way they did the lights too. It just looks excellent out here at night. And a very quiet place to sit as well. And I'll take us back indoors. I love these little pops of green. I think that's a very classy way to hang your plants in the kitchen. So now I'll take us back upstairs. This is just a little storage under the stairs. So the upstairs is very well done. Here we walk into a full bath, and this has been well renovated. I love this mirror, really cool. And the light fixtures and all new in here, leading into a nice, well-sized bedroom. And you can look out this window. You've got some pretty good views, and of course your closets. All right, and then through here, we've got another small coat closet, and then another grand, large bedroom. All of these bedrooms are very well sized, and these original wood floors are just gorgeous. All right, and that leads into our master suite. So this is really excellent as well. Just that same very classy, well put together Carrollton charm. Through here we have a well renovated master bathroom. I'll let Scott show you around. This is a great vanity with that marble countertop, and the walls here really go well with that gold on the mirror and sconce. And then a nice, well done, large shower. That's actually the style of shower that I prefer, where it's glassed in and very large. You don't have to touch a shower curtain or anything like that. And then there's a large closet to your left as you enter the bathroom. So this has been 2325 Short Street, offered at $419,000, just about 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's available now. Just call Chris with any questions at 504-231-2004. We'd love to show it to you. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.